Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that's incredibly relevant for individuals with diabetes who are aiming to shed some pounds, the low-carb diabetic diet for weight loss. We'll be addressing your burning questions and providing you with practical insights on how to embark on a successful weight loss journey while managing your diabetes. So let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is the fastest way for a diabetic to lose weight? We often hear the question, what's the fastest way for a diabetic to lose weight? While there's no magical shortcut, a combination of a balanced, low-carb diet, regular physical activity, and mindful lifestyle changes can pave the way to effective and sustainable weight loss. Segment 2. How many carbs should a diabetic eat daily to lose weight? Striking the right balance is key. While daily carb intake varies based on factors like activity level and individual needs, a general guideline for weight loss is around 100 grams of carbs per day. However, always collaborate with your healthcare provider to tailor your carb intake to your specific goals. Segment 3. Is a low-carb diet okay with diabetes? Absolutely. A low-carb diet can be an excellent approach for weight loss while managing diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels and promotes weight loss by reducing carb intake and focusing on nutrient-dense foods. Segment 4. How many carbs can a diabetic eat on a low-carb diet? The beauty of a low-carb diet is flexibility. While specific carb limits can vary, many find success in consuming around 50 grams of net carbs per day on a low-carb diet. This allows the body to enter a state of ketosis, which can aid in weight loss. Segment 5. Eggs in a diabetic diet for weight loss. Eggs are a fantastic addition to a diabetic weight loss plan. They're packed with protein and nutrients. For those with type 2 diabetes, enjoy up to 4 whole eggs per week, and you can incorporate egg whites more frequently. Segment 6. Foods diabetics can eat freely for weight loss. Want to enjoy foods without the guilt? Non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, cucumbers, and bell peppers can be savored freely. They're low in carbs and calories, making them a perfect choice for weight-conscious individuals. Segment 7. Foods diabetics should avoid for weight loss. Let's talk about what to steer clear of. Our list of 10 foods to avoid includes sugary drinks, processed snacks, white bread, sugary cereals, fried foods, high-fat dairy, and desserts packed with refined sugars. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense options instead. Segment 8. Is 100 carbs a day good for diabetics? Many find success with a daily carb intake of around 100 grams while aiming for weight loss. However, it's essential to individualize your approach and work with your healthcare team to determine what's optimal for you. Segment 9. Carbs diabetics should avoid for weight loss. Cutting down on refined carbs like sugary treats, sugary cereals, and white bread is crucial for weight loss success. Instead, opt for whole grains, vegetables, and legumes to keep blood sugar levels stable. Segment 10. Weight loss and fasting for diabetics. Fasting can be a tool for weight loss, but it requires careful consideration for individuals with diabetes. Consult your healthcare provider before attempting fasting, and if approved, ensure you monitor your blood sugar levels closely. Segment 11. How to lose fat with diabetes. Losing fat with diabetes involves a holistic approach. Prioritize a well-balanced, low-carb diet, engage in regular physical activity, manage stress, prioritize sleep, and stay consistent with your diabetes management plan. Segment 12. Strategies to lose body fat with diabetes. To target body fat effectively, focus on building lean muscle through strength training, incorporating cardiovascular exercises, and maintaining a calorie deficit with a mindful eating plan. Always consult your healthcare team before starting any new exercise regimen. That's a wrap on our comprehensive guide to effective weight loss with a low-carb diabetic diet. Remember, your journey is unique, so it's crucial to collaborate closely with your healthcare provider to create a personalized plan that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay committed, stay positive, and we'll catch you in the next one.